Ethan Bunny Boy 1-5 presents a Major Hiccup. So guys, what do you want to do today? Oh, I don't know, just like play Minecraft or something? Oh, I don't know, it is kind of hot out. Anyway, Oh, I know something. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Why? Are you okay? Yeah, I'm just okay. Whoa, I think you might have the hiccups. What? The hiccups? Oh, I'm completely fine. Ow. Like I was saying, I'm completely fine and you do not have the Ow. Yeah, maybe I do. It's annoying. Like, how do I fix this? I know it is annoying. It's just so annoying. I get them a lot. Maybe drink some water. Oh, okay. Ow. Here, maybe sip some of that seltzer. Okay. Oh. Yup, it's empty. Anyway, problem solved. Not again. Oh, I have an idea. Try holding your breath. Okay. Okay, that's good. Oh my. I have a better idea. Another way to cure hiccups is by hanging upside down, I think. Who's controlling this thing? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now just gotta, okay? Is that good? I'm feeling enough. Okay. Yeah. Oh, sorry. That didn't work. Yeah. You know what? Another way is by being scared. What do you mean being scared? That did not work. Anyway, like I was saying, I just Anyway, now how are we gonna do this? Is there like, I don't know, like how could I just do this? Maybe you can drink like a potion or something? Okay guys, now what seems to be your problem? Our friend Kool Man has hiccups. Oh. Well, like, what have you guys tried? Did you try scaring him? We didn't work. Hanging upside down? Nope. What else is there? Oh, like, any other stuff. Are they still there? Oh, I think they went away. No, they didn't. I have, like, an anti-hiccup potion that he can drink. Oh, really? Really? Yeah, let me go get it. Okay, now where do I keep it? Oh, there it is. Okay, there's the bottle of anti-hiccup juice, I guess. Oh, cool. Anyway. What just happened? What's so wrong? What's wrong? Oh. In that potion, there are some side effects. Once you drink it, it's gonna make you very hyperactive until you bump into something. And if you bump into something, the effects are off. Boing way!
SpongeBob fruit snacks! My favorite.
Oh.
Hey!
Oh.
Kool Man, what are you doing?
Boing. Boing. So much entry. So much. Is everything okay? Oh, that actually why do I still have the hiccups? Well, you drank it and then the effects have worn off since you bumped into a wall. Don't worry, we can find another solution. Hey, Kool Man, what is it? Boom Boom's loading up Minecraft. What? Why is Boom Boom loading up Minecraft? He's gonna play a game. What oh no.
Kool Man, I'm playing Sky Wars.
Ooh. Yeah. Fellows, I don't need no teammate. I'm good at this, okay. I guess, like... Ooh. Wildwood, that sounds nice. Anyway, now, I want to do that parkour over there. Just need to get the... Ow! It doesn't matter, I'm just in a lobby. Oh, Wildwood won. I was the only one who voted, okay. Okay, let's do this. Boing, boing, boink. Ooh, let's turn that down a little bit. But anyway, let's open this stuff. Let's collect all those good items, okay? Yeah. Okay. Ooh. What's crumbling cobblestone? Huh. Sounds interesting. But anyway, let's... Okay. This stuff looks nice. Just need to mine some. Ooh. Sword. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Fight. Okay. Yeah. Let's go. Wanna fight me? Yeah. Looks like you wanna fight me. Oh. Where's he going? Anyway. Wanna fight, man? Wanna fight? I'm all diamond. All diamond wanna fight, man? You're on all diamond. You look like Stampy. Spectating. I am spectating because of Stampy. Stampy! It's no big deal. It's just a game. I died because of all diamond armor Stampy. I have calmed. Ow, good thing I got out of that. Wait a minute. My hiccups are gone. What? We did it! All because you scared them away. Yeah, dumb remember Stampy. Yep, now we can finally go back to our normal... What the? Oh, nothing. Why is he hiccup? Oh no. What? No! I'll get more anti-hiccup potion. The end.